Alright guys, I'm under my 2004 Ram 1500. Thing's rusted. Very, very rusty. So I'm changing out the starter right now. Right, you can see right up here's the starter. This is the driver's side front wheel. So this is the starter. There's really only 2 bolts, 16 millimeter, and you're probably gonna need an extension to get extra leverage on there. And you may want to get yourself some PB Blaster, spray down the nuts first, get them loosened up. So the first screw here, let me actually get the flash on this. So it's actually kind of tough to tell, but so this from here all the way to this open threading right here, this is all the starter. So this screw right here I had to take out. That was a 16 millimeter. And then there's another one back here, kind of a different angle. So there's a little lip here, and inside this lip is another bolt. Believe it or not, this one should be a little bit easier to actually get to. But once those 2 are out, the starter should come right out, and there's an electrical connection. It goes directly to the battery. You're gonna want to disconnect that, and then you can put your new one in.